Hey there, foodies! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of America's favorite snacks, buffalo wings. You might think you know everything about these spicy, saucy delights, but we're about to uncover some unknown facts that will leave you craving for more. So, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Our journey begins with the origins of buffalo wings. Contrary to popular belief, they didn't come from buffaloes. In fact, they were born in Buffalo, New York. Legend has it, in the 1960s, Teresa Bellissimo invented them at the Anchor Bar. They were created on a whim, using leftover chicken parts. Talk about a tasty accident. The secret sauce. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce that gives buffalo wings their signature kick, the buffalo sauce. Did you know that the original sauce recipe was just hot sauce, butter, and a few secret spices? It's a perfect blend of heat and flavor that's been imitated around the world. Buffalo wings aren't just finger-licking good. They're also incredibly versatile. Here's a fun fact. They pair perfectly with celery and carrot sticks. This crunchy combo helps cool down the heat from the sauce and adds a refreshing contrast. Buffalo, New York is often referred to as the wing capital of the world. It's estimated that Americans consume over 1.33 billion wings on Super Bowl Sunday alone. That's a lot of chicken. Not all buffalo wings are created equal. While the classic version reigns supreme, there are countless variations. From boneless wings to different heat levels and exotic flavors, there's a buffalo wing for every palate. Believe it or not, there are competitive eating events dedicated solely to buffalo wings. It's both impressive and slightly terrifying. While buffalo wings are famous for being indulgent, there are healthier alternatives. You can enjoy the flavors by drizzling buffalo sauce on a grilled chicken salad, giving you that tangy kick without the guilt. The wing etiquette. Here's an unwritten rule. Never double dip your wing in the communal dipping sauce. One dip, one bite. Also, remember the wet wipes. Things can get messy, but that's part of the fun. Wing size matters. Not all wings are created equal when it comes to size. Some places serve jumbo-sized wings, while others opt for smaller, party wings. The choice is yours, but bigger doesn't always mean better. The heat factor. Buffalo sauce heat levels can vary dramatically. Some people like them mild, while others prefer to sweat it out with suicidal heat. There's a Scoville scale for hotness, and buffalo wings can run the gamut. Fans share their favorite wing joints, recipes, and epic wing tales. The cultural impact. Buffalo wings have become so iconic that they've appeared in countless songs, movies, and TV shows. From sitcoms to rap lyrics, they've solidified their place in American culture. The battle of ranch versus blue cheese. One debate that divides wing enthusiasts is the choice of dipping sauce. Ranch and blue cheese dressings are the top contenders. Some say ranch cools down the heat, while blue cheese adds a tangy contrast. Believe it or not, some adventurous foodies embark on wing scavenger hunts. They travel from city to city, sampling buffalo wings at different restaurants, searching for the ultimate wing experience. The wing nut celebrities. Even celebrities can't resist the allure of buffalo wings. From sports stars to Hollywood actors, there's a long list of famous wing enthusiasts. Who would have thought wings could be so star-studded? The art of saucing. The art of saucing wings is serious business. Some places toss the wings in sauce, while others brush it on for precise flavor control. The saucing technique can make or break a great wing. The health benefits, or lack thereof. Let's not kid ourselves, buffalo wings aren't exactly health food. They can be calorie-packed, but there's a silver lining. The chicken itself is a good source of protein. Just remember, moderation is key. Buffalo wing DIY challenges have become a trend. Individuals and YouTubers challenge themselves to create the spiciest, hottest wings they can handle. It's not for the faint of heart. The legends of the wing world. Lastly, we can't forget the legends of the wing world, the chefs and restaurants that have perfected the art of making buffalo wings. They've earned their place in the Wing Hall of Fame. And there you have it, a never-ending buffet of facts about American buffalo wings. Whether you're a casual wing lover or a die-hard enthusiast, there's always something new and exciting to discover about these delectable bites. Don't forget to share your own wing stories and secrets in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us for more tasty adventures. Until next time, keep winging it and savoring those flavors.